Well, a man facing capital murder charges will get a new trial after a judge declared a mistrial on the very first day of testimony.
Xavier Scott is charged in the 2018 murder of Tiffany Kelly in Huntsville. Police say Scott and his girlfriend at the time, Dominique Jackson, asked Kelly for a ride outside a Dollar General in South Huntsville. Kelly was later found stabbed to death on the side of the road. News 19's Kayla Smith is live with the latest in the case. Kayla.
In the courtroom Wednesday, after hearing testimony from several people, including Scott's cousin and several investigators, Scott's attorneys made a motion for a mistrial. The attorney said part of what was talked about during an investigator's testimony violated a pretrial agreement relating to things that wouldn't be discussed in front of the jury. Huntsville Police Department investigator David Mullins was among the witnesses, and part of his testimony alluded to Scott potentially being violent and holding power over his girlfriend, suggesting that he may have called the shots the night Kelly was killed. In September of last year, in a separate capital murder trial, Scott's girlfriend was found guilty of a lesser charge, robbery, after Scott testified he was the one who killed Kelly. Scott's attorneys objected to the discussion of the possibility of Scott being violent toward his girlfriend. And after more cross-examination, Scott's lawyers asked to approach the judge without the jury present. They made the motion for a mistrial, saying they couldn't, quote, unring the bell of what was said in front of the jury. Judge Donna Pate exited the courtroom to think about what had been said. She returned less than an hour later to declare a mistrial. At this time, a new trial date has not been set. The judge said that would be decided later. She also barred attorneys on the case and family members of the victim from speaking with the media. News 19 is following this case, and we will bring you updates as they become available. Reporting live in Huntsville, Kayla Smith, News 19.